Hello, Midnight Coders, and welcome. In today's video, we are going to take a look at a quick and simple Swing GUI and see how we can take the information that we enter, delete it, persist it, and by the end of this video, you're going to have an understanding of how to persist your user's input into a SQLite or a remote SQL database using JDBC. Now, some of you might be asking, whoa, what is JDBC? The JDBC, or the Java Database Connectivity, is an API which allows developers to talk to the database. This has become the standard way that a Java application communicates with Postgres, MySQL, Oracle, or other SQLite databases. It bridges the gap between Java and the database server. Without it, there's no built-in way to actually send SQL queries. So let's have a look at some code. All right, guys. So here we have a very simple window. This is just a simple, straight up JFrame. We just build out a very small little window. We load the base products from the database. We initialize things. So when we're pulling here, we're reaching into our JDBC database manager and we are pulling all products. That is coming through our database connection, our database manager. Um, Inside of here, we have a couple of SQL queries which are put together here. And as you notice, there is a little bit of syntax highlighting. This actually comes from IntelliJ. It is a very useful feature and allows us to connect things to our database so that we can see what is going on and whether or not we have the proper namings. That is a very useful trick, and I absolutely love JetBrains for it. So at the bottom, we have a get connection, which is going to reach out to our SQLite database with our super name of Glave and our ultimate password of Midnight Coder. We are going to then use the driver manager to create a connection based on our specific driver, in our case, SQLite. Now, you'll look through these and you'll see that we are we are preparing our statements, which we take in our query, or we are, sorry, with our query, this allows us to take a SQL expression that has or may have placeholders, little question marks, um, such as these, and replace those question marks with real data. So what that means is that after we've prepared a statement, we can say, all right, statement, set the string for the first parameter to be the product name. And the same thing down here, when we are preparing a statement and we execute a query, difference between a query and a um, update is when you are looking to um, put something to a database or looking to update a record in a database, you're looking to generally run an update. If you're looking to execute a query to get something, you're generally looking to use execute query. Uh, Big difference is one returns a result set, the other one does not. It just returns an integer. You can pop into these bad boys and we can take a look through the docs and we can see here again with the update. This one here executes a SQL statement. Then this is typically a DML, a data manipulation language, and it includes things such as insert, update, delete, or other relevant SQL statements that return nothing. Um, Whereas if we popped into the query, The query is simply executes the SQL query and it returns the result set that is generated by the query. So just in case you're wondering, a query is when you're looking to query something to retrieve some information, and an update is when you're looking to update the database with this information. I hope that makes sense. If so, hit that thumbs up button. So, what does this look like? If we hit the run button, you'll see we get a small little window and it's got some information in it. We've got a couple of coffees in here. So we can come in and delete one and it's gone. We can add values in and they get updated just like that. Very simple. If you'd like to know more, the link will be in the description for the database, or sorry, for the project. And if you'd like to get in touch, by all means, join the Discord. Link is also in the description. And as always, guys, keep your curiosity open, your skills sharp, and that coffee cup full. I'll catch you in the next one.